everyone, so today I'm going to tell you how to create your own collection on Wakelet, that is Wake. So Wakelet is an app or you say website on which we create our collections. It is the best way according to me to collaborate with others or put up your ideas. In Wakelet you can add your feeds, YouTube videos, website links, images or simple text, and they're hosting a program that is Wakelet Student Ambassador Program, and we'll get 6 tasks in that, and after each submission of each task we'll get a badge, and after doing all the 6 tasks we'll get the last badge and a certificate, and one will be chosen as the Wakelet Student Ambassador 2021, and I'll be telling you more about that event and how to participate in that in my video. So let's start.
So let's see how Wakelet works. First, you need to create an account. For that, you need to click on this sign up. A screen will come like this, but I have a account, so I'll log in. Yes, and now my account is open. So here you can see I have created many collections, and you can keep them public, private, or unlisted. You can see if it will be public, it will come an option like icon like this. If it will be private, then like this. Unlisted is when only the people with a link can see your collection. And now let's see how to create a new collection. Let's enter the title science. You can add the description, but I'm not adding because it's just an example. So for the cover image, if you have your own image, you can upload. So a screen like this will come. You can choose the pictures and upload. If you want to choose an image from the library, then you can search. My title is science, so I'll search a picture related to it. So I think this picture is nice. I'll click on that, and here my cover image is ready. Now let's see how to add an item to your collection. So if you want to add a picture, same you can upload or choose from the library. If you want to add text, then click on add text and you can write anything. If you want to delete any thing, then just click on delete. If you want to add any website or YouTube video or some tweets, then you can just copy that link of the YouTube video or that website and paste over here. I think I have one. So when you paste, a screen like this will come. This is our first item. So my link is related to astronomy. If you don't want to show that link, you can just click on edit and delete that link. And let's copy this whole and add it in the title. Copy, and then I'll add it in the title, and let's remove it from there. And done. If you want to open this website in your Wakelet, then just click on it. Actually, I am on the edited mode, so I cannot open it. First, I will have to click on done. Now, yes, my Wakelet is ready. It's just half. It's not full made. So when you make it, it will be first private. You need to change the visibility. I'll do it unlisted. Save. And if you want to open that website which you have chosen in your this Wakelet, then just click on it and your website will be open. Yeah. If you want to change anything after saving the Wakelet, then just click on edit and your Wakelet will be again like this. And let's add one more item. Let's add in text. So what can I write? Let's write science is fun. Yeah. If you want to make it bold, just select this, click on bold. If you want to make it italic, you click on italic, underline and all, but I'll do only bold. Now done. If you want to change the layout of your Wakelet, then there are many. Compact view, here you can see only the main things of your item, and in the grid view, I think this one is not that much okay. Now, mood board is something if you want to create your own playlist or you need to collaborate with others, then this one is the best. And let's add a background image. So for that, click on the settings and add a background image. I'll again search science as my title is science. Uh, so I think this one is good, yeah. Yes, it is this one. Your background image will be shown like this. If you change the layout, then you can see your background image more clearly. Now let's see how to collaborate with others in your Wakelet. You need to click on invite and invite contributors, then copy this link. If you want to share a code, then click on copy code. Let's see how to join a Wakelet. So let's first save this one. Yeah, if you want to join a Wakelet, then you can click on group collection, then join collection. If I have copied the code, so I'll paste it over here. Yeah, and my Wakelet is open. Yeah, now let's see how can we create a beautiful collection, and let me show you some examples. Let's see if you want to create on a topic and add websites and all. So this one is a good example. So I have not deleted the link so that others can copy and paste it in Chrome. And actually, I participated in the Wakelet Student Ambassador Program 2021, and yet I have completed 4 tasks, and 5 and 6 are left, which I'll be completing tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So when you participate in this program, you can go to Student Ambassador Zone. Let me show you that I have followed them. Go to Student Ambassador Zone, and here you can see all the information about this competition. And I think the third task is more stuff, but also very interesting. Here you can get all the information about it. If you want to see some examples, then it will be there. Let's go to my collection and I'll show you. If you want to search about something, if you are researching on a topic, then you could add like this. Here I have YouTube videos, many links, some text, pictures, and this was the task 4 of astronomy, just a Wakelet student ambassador program, and air and water. Let's see this one. I forgot how I made it. Yeah, because it is very old. Here I have added text and YouTube videos. If you want to create a playlist, then I think Wakelet will be the best. So here I think the best layout is mood board if you want to create a playlist. Then I have invited many collaborators, and I'll see who has joined. There are so many, yeah. So hope you understood how to create your Wakelet and will surely make one. Thank you.